If you've ever accidentally deleted an important file from your OneDrive, don't panic. You're not alone, and the good news is it's often easy to get those files back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to recover deleted files from your OneDrive account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring back lost documents, photos, or folders, even if it seems like they're gone for good. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to OneDrive in your web browser. So open your favorite browser. It can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, whatever you like, and type in onedrive.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account. This step is important because OneDrive's recovery options are tied to your unique login, so make sure you're using the right account, the one where the deleted file was stored. Once you're in, take a look at the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. You'll see an option that says Recycle Bin. This is like the safety net for your OneDrive files, much like the recycle bin on your Windows PC or the trash on a Mac. Anytime you delete something, it's not gone immediately, it's just moved to this holding area. Click on Recycle Bin, and you'll see a list of files and folders you've deleted recently. This part might take a moment if you have a lot of deleted items, so don't worry if it loads slowly. Now, carefully look through the list and find the files or folders you want to restore. There are checkboxes next to each item. Just click the boxes for everything you want to bring back. If you're not sure about the right file, hover over it to see a preview or check the deleted date. That can be really handy if you know when you lost it. Once you've made your selection, look at the top of the page for the Restore button. Click that, and OneDrive will move your files right back to their original locations, like nothing ever happened. But what if you don't see your file in the recycle bin? Don't lose hope quite yet. Microsoft actually has a second, deeper layer of recovery. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Recycle Bin page. Here you'll see a link to the second stage Recycle Bin. For business and school accounts, this might be called the Site Collection Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click that link. Think of this as the backup's backup, a rarely visited vault where files go if they've been removed from the main recycle bin but aren't permanently gone yet. Browse through this list, and if you find your missing files, select and restore them just like before. Sometimes files disappear at the worst moments, but with OneDrive's layered recovery bins, you have several chances to get things back. And remember, if you don't see your file in either bin, it's possible it's been permanently deleted after the retention period, typically 30 days for personal accounts and up to 93 days for business accounts. So it's always a good idea to check promptly. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide made recovering deleted OneDrive files stress-free and straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your files back.